everyone. I'm Dr. Shravani Rivonkar, and today let's talk about polycystic ovarian disease or polycystic ovarian syndrome. We all know that in India, majority of the women are suffering from this PCOD or PCOS. In India, 1 out of 5 females are suffering from polycystic ovarian disease or polycystic ovarian syndrome, but we are not aware about this condition. There are basically two major factors which result in polycystic ovarian syndrome. The two factors are, first is the environmental toxins and the second one is stress. We cannot protect ourselves from environmental toxins, but yes, we can protect ourselves from stress. There are various stress-related problems in students, housewives, and young girls. In college, we are having stress of studies. In school, we are having stress of studies, getting good percentage. Young housewives are having tension of family-related problems, household work. They have to manage both household work as well as the professional life outside. So these all are stress-related factors that can result in hormonal imbalance, and ultimately it can result in polycystic ovarian syndrome or polycystic ovarian disease. Basically, women these days are not sharing their problems with friends and family or the ones who are dear or near ones. But they keep building up this stress inside them. They don't share it with friends or family, so the stress keeps building up inside, and this ultimately leads to problems internally, that is the hormonal imbalance, etc. So ultimately what happens is woman starts thinking about this over and over again. So ultimately a woman goes in depression because she's not sharing out with her friends or family. She gets mood swings, like she gets angry at small things. She gets irritation while talking to someone. Then she gets a lot of mood swings, like she feels like crying out, so she sits alone and she cries, but she cannot share it with anyone. So this leads to hormonal imbalance. Ultimately, a woman tries to gain weight by eating a lot because she's in depression, so she will start eating a lot. Binge eating it is called. So she will ultimately gain weight. So women try to lose weight. They are unable to lose weight because there is hormonal imbalance already. So even if they work out, there won't be any weight loss. So once you don't start losing weight, a woman goes in further stress. That why am I not losing weight? What is the main problem? I'm working out so much, but why I'm not able to lose the weight? So this leads to more stress, and they start comparing themselves with other women, that I'm not looking beautiful, I have acne problem, I have pigmentation, I have facial hair. So all these symptoms related to PCOD starts occurring in a woman, and they start thinking that they are ugly looking and they don't look pretty as compared to other women, and they ultimately go in more stress and ultimately leads to more hormonal imbalance. So basically, correction of the hormonal imbalance is essential, and once the hormonal imbalance is corrected, then a woman may start thinking of losing its weight. When the patient takes any allopathic medicines, this will not balance the hormones, of course, but it will result in more imbalance of the hormones, and ultimately their anti-Mullerian hormone will result in changes. It won't be in that particular range. And ultimately what happens, once a woman gets irregular periods, they go and visit the doctor gives them allopathic medicines, and after taking the medicines they get fake menstrual bleeding, which is not a normal menstrual bleeding. So this results in more hormonal imbalance. So once they stop taking these medicines, the signs of irregular menses again starts, the other signs of the PCOD again starts, and again they start visiting the doctor gives the same medicine, again they start getting normal menses. So this cycle keeps on repeating again and again. So ultimately what happens is a woman gets fed up of all the medicines, a woman stops taking all the medicines. So this is the case with all the women these days suffering from polycystic ovarian syndrome. Sometimes a woman might not have classical symptoms of polycystic ovarian disease, that is acne, irregular menses, pigmentation on face, pigmentation on neck or other areas of the body, that is genital area. A woman might not experience hair loss or unwanted hair on other parts of the body. So these are the classical signs of polycystic ovarian disease. But a woman might only have a single symptom like scanty menses or pain during menses. So this can be a classical, it might not be a classical signature or sign of PCOD, but a woman might experience some or the other sign related to PCOD or hormonal imbalance. There is basically no medicine or any particular treatment for polycystic ovarian disease. The main effect of PCOD a woman experiences after marriage when she's not able to conceive a baby. What happens in PCOD or polycystic ovarian syndrome is the production of the ovum is not happening properly. The ovulation is not taking properly. So what happens is it does not give you healthy ovum. So even if a woman conceives or has a baby, the baby won't be healthy because the ovum itself is not a healthy. So in many cases what happens is after conceiving, a woman goes into miscarriage. Majority of women might not even conceive a baby. They might be having infertility because of this condition, polycystic ovarian disease. So many doctors advise for IVF or IUI, and they don't give you any guarantee that it will succeed or not. So this results in wastage of your money, wastage of your time, and wastage of your patience. There are many couples who can afford the treatment that is IVF or IUI. They can afford it, but what about those people who cannot afford it? We have an amazing treatment from Heal Vibe Limited. That is a treatment of mineral formulation, a treatment which uses natural supplements. So if PCOD is a natural problem that a woman suffers, why not give a natural treatment? Why not have a natural healthy baby? Why do we need to do all artificial treatments like IVF or IUI? Why do we need to use chemicals in a woman's life if this condition can be treated naturally, using natural supplements, using natural therapy? PCOD basically requires overall lifestyle modification. That is, a woman needs to balance the hormones first. After that, woman needs to control stress. Woman needs to encourage habits of workout. A proper diet chart is to be maintained by women. What to eat, what not to eat, what foods to be avoided. So all this is taken into consideration in case of polycystic ovarian disease. Major factor is stress. If stress is not controlled, nothing is going to balance. Even if you work out, nothing is going to help you. So controlling stress is major important factor. Second is correcting the hormonal imbalance. Then is maintaining a proper diet plan in your life, and a proper exercises, yoga exercises, or any other workout that a woman likes to do. So this is basically a overall lifestyle management which will help you treat PCOD on a permanent basis. After 10 years of research, Heal Vibe has got a treatment which will give you 100% assurance that it is going to cure you from polycystic ovarian disease or polycystic ovarian syndrome. Heal Vibe is also related to hypothyroidism both in males and females. When the thyroid function test is not normal, Heal Vibe gives assurance to treat the thyroid problem. This is totally natural treatment that everyone desires for, but no one is aware about it. Heal Vibe Limited from UK gives 100% written guarantee money back which no one, no organization, no hospital or no doctor is going to give you. So if you don't get any improvement after using this treatment, 100% money will be refunded to you. If the PCOD or PCOS is not cured on time, it might result in more hormonal imbalance. So whatever happens, ladies, do not go for any kind of surgeries. If you are getting a natural treatment to cure your condition, why do you want to go for the operative procedure where they will be destroying your ovaries, they will be destroying your hormonal balance? Why do you want to go for surgery if you have a natural treatment? Why do you want to go for allopathic medicines if you have a natural treatment to cure your condition? If PCOD is a natural problem arising from hormonal imbalance, you need to go for natural treatments instead of going for artificial chemicals or surgeries. So please do avoid all the surgeries or allopathic medicines because it is not going to give you a permanent solution. It is going to create more complications in your life. No one will be there to guide you or tell you what is the exact problem happening in your body, why you're experiencing this issue, and no one will give you a guarantee that they will cure your condition. But HealVibe Limited gives you 100% assurance that it will cure your condition. If it does not cure your condition, it will give you additional treatment which is free of cost. You don't have to pay a single rupee for the additional treatment. You just have to pay for the first treatment that you will be given. When do we take the patients for treatment in HealVibe? Only after looking at the two tests, that is TSH or thyroid stimulating hormone, and the second test is AMH or anti-Mullerian test or anti-Mullerian hormone test. So maximum doctors don't even do the AMH test, which is very important test in case of polycystic ovarian disease. So after looking at the value of the AMH, we take the patient and we give the patient assurance to get the range of AMH back to the normal range. And the HealVibe gives you 2 months treatment, which includes total 16 treatments. And after all the 16 treatments are done, AMH test is to be repeated by the patient. So in other words, we will be correcting the hormonal imbalance. The root cause of the PCOD will be corrected, and we take the patients only after seeing these two tests. So this gives, if the AMH test is done and the value is not changed, then additional treatment to the patient is given. Free kit is provided to the patient, free of cost. No need to pay extra money, and even after the additional treatment, the patient does not get cured, we will be refunding 100% money back to the patient. So this is all about the natural treatment that the HealVibe is providing to all the patients. So this treatment is available in India and across India. So no need to worry about the delivery. The kit will be delivered safely to your home in whichever city you are in. So if any queries, you can contact me. I have provided my phone number to you. And if you are in other city, you can contact any HealVibe experts. We have almost 18 to 19 HealVibe experts across India and across world. So you can contact me or anyone, or directly HealVibe Limited you can contact if you have any queries regarding polycystic ovarian disease or infertility or thyroid problems, fibroids, or thyroid includes male and female both treatment. Even if the sperm count of the male is low, you can contact us because we will be providing you a kit that will be useful for balancing your hormones, and ultimately it will help you to conceive a baby, a healthy baby, using a natural treatment instead of going for artificial treatment. But even if you take the treatment, you use the kit very well, you take the supplements on time, you use vitamin D capsules, still if your PCOD is not cured, there might be only one reason, that is stress. So if you want your PCOD to be cured permanently, first factor is avoid stress. All you young women, please stay healthy, please stay happy. In whatever you do, you need to be happy. Even if you're not happy, don't think over and over again. You can share it with your friends, you can share it with your family or your loved ones, but don't keep it building inside you. Don't be depressed. Share your thoughts, share your feelings, don't cry. There's solution for everything. So happiness, being happy, staying happy is main important factor that will help you avoid stress and help you balance your hormones. Once you take this treatment, it will balance your hormones definitely. Exercise, workout, diet plan will obviously give you a total lifestyle modification, but avoiding stress and being happy is the most important criteria of all. So always be happy, and I assure you your PCOS will get cured. So if any queries, you can contact me anytime, and I'm always there to help you all. Thank you so much.